If you're going to do any sort of editing to your Suno songs, you're going to need them locked to the grid. All that means is that your BPM, beats per minute, need to be the same from start to finish. And it used to be that if you wanted to do this, you'd have to pull your songs into Suno Studio and then make sure it's on the grid, and then and only then can you export your song and your stems. And of course, if you're using Suno Studio, that means you're paying more money for your subscription. Well, the good news is you can now lock your songs and your stems to the grid without needing Studio. Let me show you how. Okay, so here we are inside Suno once again, and we have our song ready to go. We've obviously already had it produced. Then what you want to do is you want to click on these three dots and come down to Get Stems and or MIDI. Now you do have to have a pro account for this. Once you have that, you can click on Extract Stems if you want all detected, or if you want vocals or instruments. This thing works the same no matter what. I've already gone ahead and done that. If you've done the same, you'll see this button that says See Extracted Stems. So click on that. That now shows you the stems that were already extracted. All you want to do now is find this little button that says Wave, and now you'll see a new option that says Wave Tempo Locked Aligned to Tempo. Click on that, bada bing, bada boom. You now have your song and or your stems locked to the grid, and so no more frustrations when you download the song and find that it's all wonky. You now have it locked to the grid, so you can pull it into your DAW and get editing. Hope that helped. Maybe you already knew that. Doesn't matter. Now you know it again. Check out some of my other videos on the channel. Reach out to me if you've got questions. We'll see you on the next one.